going to explain you the yoke system of the Boeing 737. So there are usually two types of control sticks in plane. So one is the yoke, which looks like more of a W letter, which is usually present in the Boeing planes, and in Airbus planes we have control stick. Please don't misunderstand control stick with a joystick. A joystick is a thing which we use to play, or we use it for joyfulness. The control stick is the stick which is used in Airbus kind of flights, which is located on the right or left hand depending on where the pilot sits. So if it's on the left hand, it's the captain. If it's on the right hand, it's the co-pilot. So both are. So today I'm going to tell you Boeing 737 yoke. So this is how the yoke looks. Here, first of all, there is a flight number indicator. So here you can just change whatever flight number you have. For example, 737. So I put, so according to the flight number, they can change it. The second is in the middle. There are some of the checklists. Now everything has a checklist. Now all the checklists are not there, but some of the checklists, like before landing checklist, after landing checklist, so type of those are there. And over here we have the autopilot disengage button. So this button you can see, this is the autopilot disengage. So when the pilot wants to remove the plane from autopilot to manual mode, he can press this button and the autopilot will disengage. Here is the stabilizer trim electronic control. So the elevation which makes the plane go up and down, we also pull and control it, and also there is a small switch over here which is known as stabilizer trim control, so which controls it. And as you might have seen in the airplanes, that there are white and black colored wheels rotating, so they are the stabilizer trim. And over here in Boeing there are two these buttons. So these are the buttons for communicating. We have a button on the dashboard on which we can click and communicate. And here we have another button, so like here just the pilot can click and talk to the ATC. So one button is for that, and the second button, if there is no, like the co-pilot and pilot can't communicate because of heavy sounds and all, so the captain and co-pilot can press this button and communicate with each other. So this is for that. And over here is the aileron trim. So this, as you can see over here, for doing right and left, for the roll of the airplane, like it goes like this and like this. So the aileron trim is controlled from here by rotating it. So this was a short video for today. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.